Here's what pediatricians really think about white noise machines for babies. Did you know that some machines blast over 85 decibels? That's as loud as a blender. Pediatricians warn it can harm your baby's hearing. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that you keep the machine at least 7 feet away from your baby. Keep volume under 50 decibels. Use it only for nap or bedtime, never 24/7. Constant loud white noise may affect how babies learn speech sounds during sleep. White noise helps babies sleep, but only if used safely.